Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm here to explain you about one more project. So which is a contact list management app. So let me talk about the features about this application. So if you can see, this app was built with React and Redux. So like we can, as we users, we can fetch and add and update those contacts, and even delete also we can do. So like this is a dummy API. Like for example, if you see from this API, we are fetching all the default contacts which are present in that, and we are updating those by making fake thing. Okay, so we are using put and post and delete request as per the calls. Okay, so let me show the demo first. So if you see the demo here, okay, let me refresh it. So this is a list of contacts which are already present in the API. So this is I'm fetching first call. So whenever if I click on delete, you can see that contact has been deleted. So let me add the new contact. So this is a one more feature again. So if you can see, okay, let me add one more contact. So some random number I have typed here. So when I clicked on add, so you can see that notification also arrived, and you can see that list has been updated here with this, right? So this a new contact has been added. So and if we want to perform editing, so let's do that also. So for example, let's take this. So when I click on this edit, you can see that same pop-up will come up. So respect to that contact. So let's change this number. Okay, some random number I'm typing here. So when I click on this update contact button, so it should be updated in the list respect to the contact which I am editing. So we can see that contact update successfully. So just now I have changed this one, you can see the number has been updated. So this is features which I wanted to create, and this was built with React and Redux. So let's see the code now. So you can see the code. So our app component contains routing part, React router DOM. So here we are uh, returning all the components which are there. Navbar contact list. In the contact list again, we are integrating contact form. So README document, as I mentioned, that features which I wrote here. So let's see the reducer first. So in the Redux we are using, right? So in the Redux, so I've created reducer. This is the main file where I have wrote the logic. So you can see, as I mentioned, make API calls, fetching and updating and deleting with post and put and delete request. You can see I'm using create async tongue function from the Redux. So as you can see, there are three create async tongue I've created, and four, sorry, fetch, post, and put and delete. So these things, and create slice as we want to, add cases for those async. So I have created extra reducer, and I have wrote the logic respect to that, edit and delete those things, and I have exported those actions and reducer. And the same way store also I have done it. So let's see the components. Now in the components I have a contact form, contact list, and navbar, right? So in the navbar, nothing, just we are showing that navbar. And in the contact list, so we can see that and allowed and edit and delete buttons. So whenever we click on that, so based on the async, that feature will be working. As you can see here, we are returning the list of the components like to be rendered on the screen. So you can see now name, phone number, and the address, so on the respective buttons, right? So and here we are calling the contact form, right? On the above, right? Here you can see contact form rendering. So this will be filled whatever we are adding here. Let me show that also. So this is what our contact form looks like. So here whenever we click on that submit, so it should be whatever we type, those should be updated and rendered on the screen. This is our JSX component. So you can see ternary operator when the contact is present, I mean, whenever we click on that contact button, it should be change edit contact or create contact based on the action. Okay, so this is what our project is all about. So thanks again.